If you guys are holding XRP, I have something very important to share with you. So the altcoin market is going absolutely crazy right now. What is taking place is whales are selling their Bitcoin and they're buying altcoins like XRP. Ethereum just broke all-time highs today, almost hit $5,000. Solana is going up, XRP is going up. Today, altcoins pumped massively. But if you noticed, if you're taking a look, Bitcoin was dumping the entire day while altcoins were ripping massively. What was taking place is a manipulation. And these whales, they try to dump Bitcoin, it dumped a little bit, and they're trying to flush out people to get them to be shaken out of their altcoin positions like XRP and Ethereum and so forth. So this big whale, big seller, sold a whole bunch of Bitcoin at once to try to cause a crazy chain reaction. It caused a small flush on altcoins. They flushed, but they're bouncing and it's looking very, very good. So what is going to be taking place here in the immediate short term? And remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. And the market is risk on because the Fed is signaling a pivot and that they're going to be cutting rates. When the Fed signals that they are going to be cutting rates after having rates steady for quite some time or paused, or they've been raising rates, that creates a massive financial shift on every single aspect of the world financially. And what that does is it makes people, they essentially have more money to invest. It brings liquidity into investment markets, into certain assets like gold and crypto. But ultimately, it's going to be a massive liquidity injection into the stock market and the crypto market. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a massive event that is taking place right now, and that's why altcoins are pumping up. The stock market is likely to pump up and continuing to make all-time highs, and it's going to get absolutely insane. If you guys take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, you could see Bitcoin dominance is nuking literally every single day. That means it's going down. This is the same exact thing that happened at the end of the last bull market in 2021. Bitcoin dominance started dumping very, very violently. And as a result, you could see altcoins are starting to go up. What is taking place right now is that people are selling their Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still going to go up in my opinion, but everyone is loading up on altcoins because historically every single 4 years after the Bitcoin halving event within the halving cycle every 4 years, that is the Bitcoin cycle. It is divided by every 4 years. At the end of that bull run, there is a bull run. Once you have the halving, you have a bull market. Approximately that lasts from the bear market bottom to the bull market top 3 years every single time. Then you have a bear market that lasts for 1 year. Based on the 4-year cycle, we are in the last couple of months in the bull market, and this is where the biggest gains for altcoins are always made in every single 4-year cycle. Right now, we are literally in the final stages of the bull market, the last couple of months left, which according to the 4-year cycle, we should top out in sometime in October, so towards the end of October. Now, because cryptos do this every single 4 years, people mathematically, they understand that Bitcoin does this every single 4 years. This is literally the time to buy. So you're going to start to see altcoins go absolutely crazy. There's lots of traders, banks, really smart people. They trade cryptos according to these 4-year cycles. Honestly, the majority of the money in crypto is trading according to the 4-year cycle. And they know that this is the final stage of the bull market. And they know they need to load up on altcoins, especially the strong ones that have utility like XRP and other coins before they miss this next massive pump. And make sure you guys join my private community if you guys want to follow my trades. If you guys look at my Twitter today, you could see that I turned a $23,000 account into $135,000 in the past week by just longing on leverage. You guys can follow these trades and all of the exact moves that I'm doing by joining my private community, the WAP. And if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptos full-time like me as a professional trader, join the VIP tier. All of these tiers and everything I'm mentioning, you guys can try today for free, just like my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which is going to help you to snipe exactly the tops and bottoms. You guys can try that for free. And if you guys are going to be trading, make sure you are trading on a real trading platform like Blowfin. The link is in my video description. That's the platform that I use to turn 23K into 135K. But guys, this week is going to be absolutely critical. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Maybe we get another flush or another little pullback early this week, but we should continue to be pushing up further as the market is now risk on, understanding rate cuts. They're going to be pricing in rate cuts over these next couple of months. But we also have the Russia-Ukraine situation. That's pretty much the only thing left. The Fed is very confident to cut rates, but now we have another potential uncertainty event with Ukraine and Russia. So that could bring more volatility. But ultimately, I think we're going to have peace. And ultimately, that's going to be a very bullish catalyst for the crypto and stock market in the next coming weeks. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.